Hi, this is Rockin' Robin, and today we are in Disney Springs. We are at Splitsville Luxury Lanes, which is a bowling alley and a restaurant. It's very, very unique. So if you haven't gone to Disney Springs, you might want to put this on your list. We're going to give you a food review and show you exactly what the restaurant is like. You stay with us. So Splitsville has a bowling alley on both floors. It's 2 floors, and you can either bowl on the front, and here is where you would get your shoes and socks and everything that you're gonna need to go bowling, and then you can bowl. You can also order food while you're there. Here is the escalator. If you want to go upstairs, you can take an escalator or an elevator. Whatever way you want to strike it up. I'm also going to show you that there is also a small little gift shop. It's not very big, but if you're looking for a few different items that you need while bowling, or you want to take with you as a remembrance of Splitsville, they have it. Here are the prices if you want to bowl a game. It's $18 per person. And now we're going to take the elevator and go upstairs. Upstairs there is a beautiful lounge and plenty of areas for dining. You may even get a good view where you can oversee Disney Springs. So first we are going to get some food, and then I'll show you a little bit more around the second floor. Right here, you can see that's how you scan your menu, and here are some of the choices. You can have some handhelds, you can have pizza, you can have entrees, you can have salads. There's a lot of different variety of foods that you can choose from. Look, there's even sushi. Now at the bar, there's a lot of great drinks. If you want to just sit here, have a drink, overlook the view, enjoy some bowling, why not? This is a great place to do all that. We ordered the sweet and spicy chicken bowl. It is tempura fried battered chicken with broccoli and red and green peppers and a Thai sauce over sushi rice. Now this was very good. It was sweet and it had a little bit of a bite, but not overwhelming to the point where you can't stand it. It was pretty good. Everything was crispy. The chicken was cooked perfectly. The sauce was great with it. So we are going to give that an A. So the second thing that we ordered was pizza. This is a Hawaiian pizza with handmade crust, tangy barbecue sauce, and mozzarella cheese, crispy bacon, as well as Canadian bacon, cilantro, and pineapples. This was very delicious. The barbecue sauce was excellent. I love my pizza, and I am also giving this an A. So with both foods, we still rate Splitsville as an A. Now let's show you around this floor. you can see how nice the bowling alleys are on each floor. And you get a private table and you get a television set. You can play feather golf, which I don't know what that is because I have never played. Time to head downstairs and back into Disney Springs. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video on Splitsville. Please remember to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, watch all of our videos. We appreciate it. This is Rockin' Robin.